cubed up some tofu that I'm going to saute. And I put it in my pan with a little bit of oil. Canola oil is what I have. You can use anything you want. Really, it does not matter. It doesn't matter what you use. But you can use any kind of oil you want. There's no rules about what oils you're going to use for this. But this is what I'm using. I'm making some broccoli and spinach on one side. And I'm using the Trader Joe's soyaki. So this is like a vegan little stir fry. I'm going to pour some on. We're going to have a taste of treat. We're going to start sauteing the tofu in the sauce. I'm going to kind of cut it up a bit more. The tofu is sizzling now. And here is the sauteed broccoli with tofu using the soyaki from Trader Joe's. Can't wait to try it. Now I'm drinking my little Airhead Springs water. And trying some of my tofu broccoli, which is really good. That's so good. I really like it. Thanks for watching.